Now, when it comes to slow speed maneuvers, we all strive for tighter turns, but just turning your handlebars is not enough. So in this video, I'm going to demo why you must lean the motorcycle to get tighter turns. So hang tight. Hey guys, I'm Paul the Motor Guy, and welcome to my channel, where I pass on riding tips, practice drills, and defensive riding strategies. Now, I'm a rider coach, a motorcycle sergeant, and owner and instructor at ProRider Central Texas. If you watch the best slow speed riders, both motor officers and civilian riders, you will see that they all have something in common. That's right, they lean the motorcycle. Now, most riders have a hard time just turning the handlebars, and leaning the motorcycle is out of the question. Now, there are some riders that will turn the handlebars, but have a hard time leaning the motorcycle. Now, if you're able to turn the handlebars to full lock, then you're further along than most riders. But if you can start to add lean, you will get tighter turns. And the more you lean the motorcycle, the tighter your turns will be. I'm going to do two demos to illustrate this. Now, the box I'm going to use is 20 feet wide. In the first video, I will turn the handlebars to a full lock, but keep the motorcycle straight up and down while walking the motorcycle. As you can see, I used all the space I could, and I was not able to make the turn. Now, I will do the demo again, but this time I will turn the handlebars to full lock and lean the motorcycle. Now, I have my son help me hold the motorcycle up during this demo, so let's go check it out. As you can see, when I turned the handlebar to full lock and added lean to the motorcycle, the turn was tighter, and I was able to stay inside the boundary. Now, I could have leaned the motorcycle over much further, which would have tightened up my turn even more, but I didn't want to drop it. Now, depending on what type of motorcycle you ride, the travel of the handlebars could be different. The BMW RT 1250 that I ride at work has a little more handlebar travel before reaching full lock compared to my concourse. Now, if you ride a sport bike, there's very little handlebar turn before reaching full lock. So to do the same U-turn dimensions requires more lean. Now, let me know in the comment sections below if you have trouble leaning the motorcycle. And if you got value from this video, don't forget to like it and share it. Now, until next time, practice, 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 and ride safe.